What's going on, everybody? Today we're putting a new floor in our clean room. We're using these free flow tiles from Racedec. So the current floor that we have in our clean room is this old epoxy stuff, and it's kind of, you can see it's flaking up, and all these flakes are going everywhere, and it's not ideal for a clean room where we're installing film and window tint. We want this to be as clean as possible. So went over a couple options on different types of floors that we want to do here. Actually, in our original clean room, we used an epoxy floor. We had another company come out, and it was pretty expensive, and it looked great at first, but after about a year, it stains. Even if we clean it, it still looks dirty and stained, and you got to clean it every single day if you want it to keep it looking good. And just not happy with the way that floor was performing. So about a year and a half ago, we actually put some of these free flow tiles in our wash bay. And it's been a year and a half, and it's probably the most harsh environment you can put these tiles in, because we're washing 9 to 10 cars a day, and they're dirty and they're greasy, and it's held up really well. I've been really happy with them. So when it came to deciding, Rob came to me and said, hey, this floor it sucks. So we decided to go with these free flow tiles again and put them in this room. So here we go. There it is, she's all done, just putting everything back together now. Easy to put together, especially when you have 4 guys. We use the rubber mallet to just snap everything in. You can also use a metal mallet, worked pretty well too. But there it is, it's pretty easy to maintain. It's a free flow style tile, which the water and everything will just go right into the drain. Check out racedec.com, they got lots of other designs, colors, and this is easy to maintain too. We'll vacuum it once a week with just a shop vac to get any things that fall into the crack, but really happy with it. Changes the look. That is a big difference. Let me know what you think in the description below. Go to racedec.com. You can actually build out your floor if you want to. So build out design, the color, and then they give you a custom quote. And then make sure you mention Chicago Auto Pros, because I think you'll get a special discount. Thanks for watching. See you next time.